In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a deleted or voided transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you're trying to track down a transaction that seems to have disappeared, QuickBooks Online has a built-in tool that makes this much easier. Instead of guessing what happened, you can use the Audit Log to see changes that were made in the company file, including transactions that were deleted or voided. This is especially helpful when you're reviewing bookkeeping activity, fixing errors, or confirming whether a transaction was removed intentionally. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. This menu gives you access to a variety of account tools and administrative features. From there, look for the Tools section and select Audit Log. Once you open it, you'll see a history of activity inside the account, including edits and transaction changes. Now that you're in the Audit Log, the next step is to narrow the results so you only see the information you need. At the top of the Audit Log page, click the Filter button. This will open filtering options that help you focus on specific activity instead of scrolling through a long list of records. First, set the user field to all users. This is important because it ensures you're not limiting the search to one person, which could cause you to miss the transaction you're looking for. Next, set the date field to the range you want to search. If you're not sure when the transaction was deleted or voided, choosing all dates is a good option so nothing gets excluded. After that, scroll down to the Events section and check the box for Transactions. This tells QuickBooks you only want to see transaction-related activity. Then, in the Show drop-down menu, choose Deleted Voided Transactions. This is the key setting that filters out everything else and shows only transactions that were either deleted or voided. Once those settings are in place, click Apply to refresh the list. QuickBooks will then display the matching results based on your filters. From there, you can review the entries and identify the deleted or voided transaction you need. When using the Audit Log, take your time reading the results carefully, especially if there are many changes in the date range you selected. If needed, you can adjust the date filter and apply it again to make your search more specific. That's how to find a deleted or voided transaction in QuickBooks Online.